In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create stunning 3D glass icons in Figma. We'll start right inside your existing design, so open your file and get your icon ready on the canvas. First, add a frame to contain everything. This will be your stage for the glass effect and helps you preview the look in context. Size it to fit your icon with a little breathing room. Set the frame's background to a dark tone charcoal, deep navy, or a rich gradient because the contrast is what makes the glassy edges and highlights really stand out. Place your icon inside that frame so it sits comfortably against the dark background. Now click the icon and give it a light blue fill. Aim for a gentle, cool tint and lower the opacity to somewhere between 50 and 70%. This transparency is the foundation of the glass effect. It lets the background peek through and creates that translucent, icy feel without washing the icon out. Next, apply a soft linear gradient stroke to the icon. Keep the stroke subtle thin enough to outline without overpowering. Set the gradient so it's white at the top and white at the bottom, and reduce the top color stop to 0% opacity. That fade at the top mimics how light rolls off glass, while the faint white at the bottom adds a delicate shimmering edge. Adjust the angle so the gradient follows the natural light in your scene, and keep the overall stroke opacity low, so it reads as a highlight, not a border. With the icon still selected, add a background blur effect to the top layer. In the Effects panel, choose Background Blur and set it around 10 to 20 pixels. This blurs what's behind the icon rather than the icon itself, simulating light diffusion through frosted glass. As you tweak the blur, watch how the background softens under the icon, creating convincing depth. Now add a circle and place it behind the icon. Fill it with the same light blue color you used for the icon. This circle acts like a soft glow or backplate that enhances the 3D feel. Apply a layer blur to the circle in the Effects panel and adjust the blur until it becomes a smooth, hazy halo. Finally, dial back the circle's opacity as needed, so it supports the icon instead of stealing attention. A few small nudges to the icon's fill opacity and the circle's blur and opacity are usually all it takes to reveal a crisp, polished 3D glass effect. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.